Benefits of green tea. Green tea is a drink that is produced from the fresh Camellia sinensis leaf, rich in phenolic compounds that act as antioxidants and nutrients which provide various health benefits for the prevention and treatment of various diseases. The content of flavonoids and catechins provide various properties to green tea, providing it with antioxidant, antimutagenic, antidiabetic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral effects, as well as having cancer-preventive properties. This tea can be obtained from insoluble powder, sachets or capsules, and can be purchased in supermarkets, online stores, and natural product stores. 1. Prevent various types of cancer. Regular consumption of green tea could prevent some types of cancer, mainly prostate, gastrointestinal, breast, lung, ovarian, and bladder, because it is rich in antioxidants that prevent cell damage produced by free radicals, avoiding the growth of cancer cells, functioning as a chemopreventive. 2. Promote weight loss. Since green tea contains various bioactive compounds such as caffeine, catechins, and polyphenols, its regular consumption could help promote weight loss and a decrease in abdominal circumference. Some studies indicate that green tea helps accelerate metabolism, making the body use more energy. In addition, it facilitates digestion, regulates the intestine, and fights fluid retention. However, the results are still not conclusive in this regard, requiring more studies to prove it. 3. Delay cellular aging. Green tea provides a high amount of antioxidants that prevent the aging of cells, because they fight free radicals, keeping the skin hydrated, looking healthy, and preventing the formation of wrinkles. 4. Prevent heart disease. Green tea helps regulate cholesterol levels, mainly LDL, bad cholesterol, thanks to its antioxidant power. In addition to this, it inhibits the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of thrombosis, heart attacks, and stroke. 5. Prevent infections. This plant has antimicrobial properties that help fight bacteria and viruses, preventing the emergence of diseases such as colds, flu, or influenza A and B, among others. 6. Improve dental health. Due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, green tea may prevent cavities and inflammation of the gums, reducing the risk of periodontitis. In addition to this, you also control bad breath. 7. Help regulate sugar levels. Thanks to the antioxidant action of catechins in green tea, which help reduce oxidative stress and improve insulin resistance and, therefore, regulate sugar levels, the intake of this tea is an excellent option for both prevent diabetes as for those who already have it. 8. Help regulate blood pressure. Green tea, in addition to being a diuretic, has catechins, a bioactive compound with antioxidant properties that could help relax blood vessels and, as a consequence, regulate blood pressure. 9. Could improve performance during exercise. According to some studies, the intake of green tea regularly helped to improve performance in resistance exercises, and it is possible that it is due to the stimulation in the use of fats by the body to generate energy and the increase in energy expenditure. How to prepare green tea. Green tea can be prepared alone or it can be combined with lemon, mint leaves or fruits. For example, this allows to disguise the bitter taste characteristic of green tea, being easier to drink throughout the day. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of green tea, 1 cup of boiled water, juice of half a lemon. Preparation mode: add the green tea leaves to the boiled water, cover, and steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add the lemon juice and drink hot or cold. How it should be taken. To have all the benefits of green tea, you should take 3 to 4 cups a day. In the case of capsules, 1 capsule of green tea should be ingested 30 minutes after meals, 2 or 3 times a day, or as indicated by your doctor or nutritionist. Green tea should be drunk between meals because it can decrease the absorption of minerals like iron and calcium. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, the daily intake should not exceed 1 to 2 cups per day, because it can increase the heart rate. Possible side effects. It is important not to consume the recommended amount of green tea per day because it can cause insomnia, irritability, nausea, heartburn, vomiting, back cardia and increased heart rate. In addition to this, it could interfere with the absorption of iron. Contraindications. Green tea should be ingested with caution in people with thyroid problems, as some studies indicate that it could alter its function, so it is important to consult a doctor. People who suffer from insomnia should avoid it because it contains caffeine. This tea should also be avoided by people with kidney failure, anemia, gastric ulcers, and gastritis, as well as in those people who take anticoagulant medications. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.